you? Good evening.
Yes, I am exceptionally well. Thank you for asking. How about you?
I am also buzzing with positive vibe. Thank you for asking. So could
My
you
name is Rasmita Naik. I am from Odisha. I am a homemaker. I have two lovely daughters, both are grown up. If I talk about my education, I have completed my master degree in history. I am a travel enthusiast. I love listening music, and nowadays I am fully indulged myself to learn this language. That's pretty much about me.
leave my introduction?
Sure, sure.
Yeah, so let's break the ice.
Yes.
So what was the biggest challenge you faced while learning English?
Yes, there are so many challenges in my life while I am learning this language, and the biggest mistake was fear of judgment. If I will make mistakes, other people what think other people about me. That was the real challenging for me when I learned this language. But now I try to overcome my challenge, so now I am
Yeah.
comfortable to speak in front of others.
I think whoever start their journey, so definitely they have to come across for these challenges because everybody think about people actually means they always think people will judge us, and people whenever we have to speak, so people will laugh on me whenever we have to make a mistake. So I think this is the misconception. Now I learned actually because whenever I try to connect with people in real scenarios, so they never judge on us. But if you talk about in a career, if you go in the career field, so definitely there people will always judge the people if they are speaking wrong english and they are making mistake. So that is the reason people always think about that.
Yes, it's true.
So was ever a moment when you wanted to quit, or what kept you going?
Actually, whenever I did not speak properly in front of others, at that time I thought I leave it, I give up because it is not my cup of tea. So I could not speak English properly. But I have a burning desire within me. I have to learn this language. One day I speak English fluently. This type of positive mindset always push me to learn this language.
Yes, yeah, it is a true actually. And sometimes I also feel means I have to give up because uh, I have to I have to make uh, how to make compare to other people means because always we think about the other people are doing very well. So that times we all I also think like that means I have to give up. But we should not compare ourselves. We should work on ourselves only and don't see the other people because their journey is totally different, our journey is totally different.
Yes, actually, comparison is poisonous. Growth is your
Yes.
personal. If you compare with yourself, it's okay. If you take it in positive way, if you compare with others, you always take it positive way. If she can do, why I cannot do? So
Yes.
if you take it positive way, it also helps you to improve your communication skill or anything whatever you want in your life. But if you take it in negative way, she can do, I cannot do, so I give up, so it is not good for your
Yes. So how did you overcome your fear of speaking english with co-learners, yeah, in public?
Yes, I learned so many things. People said reading is important, and listening, writing, all are important to improve your communication skill. I also realized these are important to improve my communication skills, but I am not reading enthusiast. So these three things, reading, writing, and listening, these are input to our mind, but we need output, and speaking is the real output. So we have to speak, whenever I realized I have to speak in front of others because I have a burning desire to learn this language, so I never bother about making mistakes. So at that time I try to connect with my co-learners every day. I try to speak at least 15 minutes or 20 minutes whenever I get chance to speak with anybody.
I totally resonate with you because if we practice every day and we are consistent about it, so we can easily speak, because without practice we cannot learn anything.
Yes, yes, practice
Yeah.
makes a man perfect. So that's
Yes.
why we need practice every day, because it is not our first language, it is our second language,
Second.
so we have to practice
Yes.
randomly.
Yeah, it is a true. So what is the one mistake that taught you the biggest lesson?
Yes, earlier I thought that if I make mistakes, what will think people, what will think about me. Actually, that was a mistake for me. Whenever I realized no, it is not true. If you really want to improve your communication skill, you have to make mistakes and you have to speak. Anyhow, we can have to speak. At that time I managed and I tried to speak in front of others. So if you practice every day, if you try to speak every day, so it also helps to overcome your fear.
Yeah, it is true actually. So how do you stay motivated when you feel underconfident also?
Yes, actually I am self motivated person. I never expect others praise or the other validation, but also but yes, it is also important in our life. So whenever other people praise us or motivate us, at that time we feel happy. But if you have any burning desire within us, so you have to do at that time. Nobody can help you to improve your career or whatever you want in your life. So you have to speak, you have to overcome, and you have to practice. And self belief, always believe yourself. I can do it, I can achieve it. No, don't think negative thoughts in your mind. So positive minds always push you definitely to improve your uh, goal or achieve your goal in your life.
Yeah, it is a true actually. So which daily habit help you to improve your communication skill?
Yes, I try to speak my co-learners every day. I try to speak, but whenever I did not speak at that time, I feel demotivated, and I thought that I did not speak. I would not speak like before. So after that, then I motivate myself. No, I have to speak. So after that, I try to speak in front of others. After that I overcome my fears.
Yeah,
It
I
helps.
totally resonate with you because earlier I used to think also means I am also not speaking very well, so how can express my thought in front of people? But over the period, I think uh, everyday practice it overcome my fear, and now I can easily connect with people and I articulate my thought. But still, I am also making mistake, but I am not afraid about that. Earlier, I was afraid to making mistake, but now I thought no, this is the part and parcel of life, so in that way we have to learn.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so what does resilience mean to you?
Come again.
What does resilience mean to you?
Yes, my hard work, my self belief, my positive attitude. Actually these three things are the hallmark of a good learner. So I
Yes.
believe three things, and these three things always motivates me to learn this language. So
Yes. Yeah, I totally agree with you, and we should make a goal, otherwise we should not thinking about that. We should make a goal and we always keep focus on that.
yes.
Yeah, because hurdles always comes in our life, so we don't feel underconfident. Just we have to take in positive way.
Yes, challenges are comes and go. Challenges are not staying forever in your life. So if you bother
Yes,
about challenges, so we cannot learn, or we cannot achieve anything in our life. Life is full of challenges. Life is full of ups and downs. So
yes,
like a circle, and happiness, sadness, good, bad, everything happens in our life. So we cannot run away from our challenges. And challenges are not our roadblocks. These are the stepping stone to our success.
yes. So again, video has stopped. Now it is okay. So, what advice would you give to someone who has lost their confidence in learning
Uh,
English?
yes, don't those who are think about it is too late. So don't think about this because I am not a spring chicken anymore. Still, I am
Yes,
learning this language full of enthusiasm. So don't think about your age, or don't demotivate others' comments. So if you have burning desire to learn this language, you can learn in any age, because education does not know any age bar. So you have
yeah,
to speak, and every day you try to speak in front of others, because we learn this language only for speaking. So don't demotivate others comments, always stay focused on your goal.
yes, yeah, it is true. So, do you ever feel nervous while speaking in front of people in real scenario?
Still, I am not facing strangers, in front of strangers to speak. I only connect with my co-learners, and group discussion, one at one call, not facing any strangers to speak.
So, but now you are confident and you have faced the challenge easily.
Okay, I don't bother about my challenges, because we have to face the challenges. So if you are not facing any challenges, we should not real enjoy truly life. So we have to face challenges. After facing challenges, we know about what is good or what is bad. And so we have to face challenges. Don't run away your challenges. Challenges
So,
are
why
successful.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, it is true actually. So why do people feel give up? Because still they are mm, still means they are working on that, but in between they feel give up. Why?
Actually, they have a lack of confidence and a fear of judgment. These two, and they do not believe themselves. So first you believe yourself, keep positive mindset and your hard work. And
Yes.
there is no substitute of hard work. There is no cut corner to hard work. If you really do hard work and believe yourself and keep positive mindset, you can achieve anything in your life. Not only learning this language, whatever you want to achieve in your life, so you can achieve it, because every sunrise gives gives new opportunity to learn, to grow, to move
Yes.
towards our life, whatever we want to achieve in our life. So every day you put your hard work and put your effort, whatever you want to do in your life.
Yes, ma'am. It is a true. We know that where there is a will, there is a way, right?
Yes, actually we have to wait, because nothing is happened overnight. So there is a
Yes.
proverb, if you there is no if you sow the seeds, is not the day you sow the seeds, is not the day you eat the fruit. Everything will take time, so nothing can
Yes.
happen overnight. So nowadays
One.
people are more patient. So that's why they after two mistakes or three mistakes, they want to give up. they try to jump into the conclusion. No, it is
Yes.
not my cup I give up. So no,
One minute. Yes, sorry, my daughter was knocking the door. Yes, yeah, it is a true actually. We should not give up and just we have to keep our eyes on the prize.
yes, I also started my journey from scratch. So
Yeah.
earlier it was a ray of hope for me to learn this language, but now it is like a breath of fresh air in my life. So every day I try to learn something new.
Yes. So do you also think AI help us to learn this language?
Yes, definitely. AI helps us to improve anything in our life. Nowadays, it is, but it is like a tools. You use like a tools, but you are not fully depend upon these tools.
Yes.
So
Yes, ma'am.
first, if you learn this language, first you if you learn one word, so you want to make a sentence in your own sentence, make it in your own sentence. Then you try to rectify with Chat GPT. But you are not fully depend upon AI or Chat GPT because it lost your creativity.
Yeah, because nowadays I think people are more dependent on AI. They don't want to do in their self because it is very convenient for us. That's why people are not. But I think, in my opinion, actually, yeah, we lose our creativity and
Yes.
creativity also.
Yes, yes, yes. If you are fully depend on AI, then it also lost our creativity.
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
we made this for our better save our time or we rectify our mistakes. So how can we learn, how can we easy to our work. So if you fully depend upon this, it lost our creativity, it will lost
Yeah,
our creativity definitely.
yeah, it is a true actually. And now people are thinking I have to easily work and I have to easily use that AI and we can learn. But I know this is the good way to learn and it is a time saving also. We cannot go outside, we cannot invest money, just we can easily learn this language through AI. But we have to give our hard work also.
Yes, yes, there is no substitute of hard work.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to hard work. You have to hard work to achieve anything in our life.
Yes, ma'am. It is.
One day our hard work will pay off.
Yeah, it is true actually. So, what does living a meaningful life to you?
Please come again.
What does living a meaningful life mean to you?
Meaningful life. Okay, meaningful life means you believe yourself, you believe your hard work, and you love yourself because you are the master of your own destiny. You are the captain of your own ship. Don't afraid of others' comments, others criticize. Always believe in yourself, your hard work, and always try to manage your time properly because time is very precious for everyone, and it is the resource. It is distributed to everyone equally. So if you lost
Yes,
our time, it never comes back. So you manage your time properly, believe yourself, believe your hard work and positive mindset. So this is the meaningful of life. If you believe these things, so you can achieve anything in your life.
yes, I totally agree with you. Yeah. So, what is success mean to you?
Yes, success means if whatever you want to achieve in your life.
Yeah.
So nowadays, I am learning this language. Whenever I speak confidently or fluently, at that time I feel success. Success is different to person to person. So whenever we achieve something in our life, we at that time we feel that I got success. But success is not our destination. It is not endless. It is. time to time it is also changed. So if we got one success, then we try to uh, get another success, so it is endless.
Yeah, it is truly, and I am totally agree with you. Hello.
Yes.
Now you are. Yeah. So, I want to know one question. Means whoever wants to learn this language, so they how to build their confidence.
Actually, confidence only, you build confidence every day. You try to speak in front of others, and if you practice any language, because language, this English is not our first language. So every day we need practice. If you practice regularly, if you speak in front of others regularly, you can overcome your fear. So we need practice, everything we need practice, because practice makes a man perfect.
Yeah, because everyone wants to know how to build the confidence. So definitely we have to work on that because
Yes.
only we are thinking in our mind, so it will not work. We have to give the time, effort, right? So then it will work.
Actually, our mind is like a garden, and our thoughts is like seeds. Whatever seed sow in your mind, so
Mm.
you harvest the same result. So you always try to plant positive thoughts in your mind. So then you will get positive action in your life.
Yes, yeah, it is a true. So you have any questions, so you can also ask them.
Yes, I am very happy to your journey. How is your YouTube channel going on? I want to know about you.
Now it is going good, and yeah, I am also working on that. And most important thing is that because of YouTube I am consistent, and I try to connect with new people, and I try to learn from that people also. So in that way I am grooming myself also. And
Yes,
definitely I boost my confidence because earlier, I don't have a courage to connect with people, but um, because of Sunita ma'am's platform and because of YouTube, I mustered up my courage and I try to connect with people, and now I gain my confidence also.
yes, I agree. Your journey, I love your journey actually. Now you are full confident.
Yeah, because you all said right thing, means our hard work always pay to us,
Yes, yes.
because hard
Later,
work is.
hard work will pay off, because our hard work never goes waste.
Yes,
So
so
if
I
you are,
truly believe that.
yes, yes.
So you have any questions? So otherwise, I have to wrap up the session because my daughter also came home.
Okay, okay, okay.
So thank you for giving your time, and
It was
uh,
a nice conversation actually.
yes, ma'am. And
A
thank you
lot.
for coming on my channel and giving your time.
Yes, definitely, definitely.
Yeah. So have a nice day, and we will connect any other day also. We will discuss
Okay,
any topic also.
okay.